I'm pretty sure even one of our stewardess on the floor trip was. Yeah. Pretty sure.
Nice job.
Like that? No.
Abe, so you gonna do a flip?
No.
Why? Your mom's no fun.
Hey, what?
Grayson, are you gonna do a flip?
What?
Are you gonna do a flip?
No.
Why?
Because I'm not allowed to.
Your mom's no fun. You're no fun.
No fun.
Can you do a flip?
Don't diss their mom and
Get me out of here. So then.
She told my kids they could do a flip. Didn't ya?
I've seen them do flips before. I won't even let Grayson do flips on our trampoline.
Are you not gonna do one, Carter?
I'm trying to get this out of the way.
Oh.
Oh, I'm not allowed to do it back there.
You okay?
Can you do one though? On the trampoline? Sure. No. Ah. Guys, this is how you get onto this tube.
Let's see it.
I bet it can make the jump for that. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Do it. Come on. I need to come on.
No, you gotta do it off the side.
Ava.
No, he's trying to jump to the
Oh, oh okay.
That says much wrong.
You can do it.
Fine, I'll do it.
Do it, Grayson.
Wait, I'm gonna miss.
No, you're not. You won't miss.
You can jump.
No, you can jump. You're farther than you think.
Long jump
all the
it.
way down.
See, you can do it. Oh, now it's a little farther.
Yeah, this is at the top of the box. Yeah. I leave it tipped down for that reason, just so they don't jump off and catch the ramp and the legs. So you don't want them to bust the prop
I'm just gonna.
or the leg.
There you go. Now it's good. Go. Go. You can get it. You can get it. Go. You can do that. You can. Land right on Landon. Do it.
I just had to put a little
See, you made it to the back.
Yeah, that was cool.
Because it was not super far.
I know. Are you gonna do a flip off the side or no?
This big.
I'm gonna do a belly flop on this. What? Oh, on that. I thought ring in the water. Or a cannonball. Landon! Cannonball.
By like
Landon.
soup. Looks like a can of soup. Yep. They get about 400 bucks back in market.
Nice job.
He said Yamaha wants
Look at him
450.
clapping.
It's hot.
No, there's 400 ones out there.
You can make it. Do it.
What a deal.
Go, Grayson. Go. You can do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Go, buddy. You can make that. I promise. Go. 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 See? You were almost to the back, and I got plenty of room.
Come here, Bob. I'm coming on.
Let's do another automatic playlist when that one's done.
Never mind. Ava!
Yeah, the Lego movie.
Whoa!
These swim shorts are really good at keeping water in.
Oh, good.
Good?
I don't know.
Build your muscles, carry extra weight.
You made it.
Guys, move on to one. Okay, okay.
Go. You can make it. Go. You can make it.
You can make that.
Go. Go. Go.
Yeah.
You can make it, Landon. You can make it.
No, I can't. Okay, let's get
Now,
this.
go.
No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna hit this.
Mom,
You're gonna hit me.
Now go.
over here.
Turn it.
You can't make it, but go.
Well, we can't. Whatever. Okay, that's too close.
Go.
Oh, and he pile drives it. Hey! Oh, do you not great? Don't push. Hey, stop, landing!
Oh, Carter, stop.
Bro, don't. I have to get up.